In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change permissions for a website. First, we need to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. As you launch the browser, you will see your home page or the last page you visited. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. By starting with your browser, you ensure you have the right environment to make changes to website permissions. Once the browser is up and running, you will have access to the internet and can proceed with the next steps. Next, go to the website whose permissions you want to change. You can do this by typing the website address into the address bar at the top of your browser. After you press enter, the page will load and you will see the content of the website. This step is important because it allows you to directly manage the settings for that specific site. Allowing or blocking permissions can greatly affect how you interact with the site, so it's essential to be on the correct page. Once the website is loaded, look for the site information icon next to the web address. This icon usually looks like a lock or an information symbol. When you click on this icon, a small menu will appear. This menu contains important information about the website, including its security status and permissions. This step is significant because it gives you a quick overview of the site's settings and lets you dive deeper into managing what the site can access on your device. After clicking the site information icon, open Site Settings or Permissions from the menu. Depending on your browser, the wording might differ slightly, but you should find an option that allows you to manage permissions. This is where you will adjust how the website interacts with your device. Accessing these settings is a critical step because it directly influences your experience on the site. It gives you control over privacy and security, ensuring that you only allow necessary permissions. Now it's time to change permissions such as camera, microphone, location, notifications, or pop-ups to allow or block. Each permission will have a toggle or drop-down menu where you can make your selection. For instance, if you want the site to access your camera, choose Allow. If you prefer to block notifications, select Block. Adjusting these settings is vital for maintaining your privacy and ensuring a safe browsing experience. You will notice that these changes can enhance your interaction with the website while keeping unwanted access at bay. Finally, refresh the website if needed. This step is essential because it ensures that your changes take effect immediately. You can refresh the page by clicking the refresh button or pressing F5 on your keyboard. After the refresh, the website will load again and you should see that your new permission settings are now applied. This simple action confirms that your preferences are saved, allowing you to use the site as per your adjusted settings. Remember, the exact menu names can vary depending on your browser, so don't be alarmed if you see different wording. The important thing is that you find the permissions section and make the necessary changes. Taking control of website permissions is an important step in managing your online privacy. By following these steps, you are well on your way to a more secure and personalized browsing experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change permissions for a website. With these steps, you can now manage your online interactions more effectively.